A floor plan is more than just a simple sketch, it's the blueprint for how a space will be experienced, lived in, and navigated. At its core, a floor plan is a scaled, two-dimensional drawing that shows the relationships between rooms, spaces, and physical features at one level of a structure. Understanding how to read and create a floor plan is an essential skill for anyone interested in architecture, interior design, or real estate. Every floor plan starts with some universal components. Walls are depicted as solid or double lines, clearly marking the boundaries of each room. Doors are shown as gaps in the walls with a thin arc to indicate the swing direction, while windows are represented by breaks in the wall lines, often with parallel lines or symbols. Stairs, fixtures like sinks, bathtubs, and toilets, as well as appliances, are all indicated with standardized symbols. Room names and dimensions are labeled for easy identification, and a north arrow provides orientation. Drawing standards ensure floor plans are clear and consistent. Plans are typically drawn to scale, most commonly 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, so measurements can be accurately interpreted. Symbols and line weights are used to differentiate between structural elements, furnishings, and movement paths. Consistency is key. Using standardized symbols for doors, windows, and fixtures helps everyone understand the plan at a glance. For beginners, a few mistakes are common. Overcrowding the plan with unnecessary detail can make it hard to read, while leaving out critical information like door swings or window placements can lead to confusion down the line. Neglecting scale, mislabeling rooms, or inconsistent use of symbols can also cause problems during construction or renovation. To create a professional quality floor plan, always start with a clear outline, use the correct scale, label all rooms, and double-check your symbols and dimensions. With practice, reading and creating floor plans becomes an intuitive process, turning ideas into spaces that work.